Now you're just showing off. I can't believe my eyes. I can't believe my eyes. Now you're just showing off. I can't believe my eyes. Don't stop. Now you're just showing off.
Hey everybody, it's Eric. Just kind of give you a heads up. I got something pretty exciting that I got in today. And a friend of mine recommended getting one of these. And without further ado, we'll jump right into it. All right, of course, me being a guy that likes to open presents pretty quick, I got this in, and of course, I've already opened it up. But I want you to see how well it was packaged. This is from Bees. It is the Oxalic Acid Vaporizer, the compact. So I'm very excited. I think I paid about, with shipping, $4.65, something like that. So pretty excited about that. So here we go. All right, I got paperwork on it. Looks like the owner's manual or instruction manual, so that's awesome. I'm going to definitely need that. Hopefully I'll read it. Packaged pretty well. Ah, cool. They sent me one of these clean out things. That's awesome. I think if you buy extra, I think it costs like $17 to get 2 of these. So I was excited I got that. Not sure what the O-rings are for. I'm sure someone will tell me. Well. All right. And there she is. Got the compact version. I really didn't need all the electronics, you know, where the LEDs tells you how hot it is. All I know is, from my understanding, when that red light turns green or it's solid or something, I'm not really sure, it's ready to go, and that's really all I need. All right, here's the Oxalic Acid. I'm not really sure what it is, to be honest with you, but anyway, apparently you put the oxalic acid in here and measure off the dosage, put it down in there and punch it, and everything comes out. So all right, so I'm really excited about that. So thanks, Bees. Hopefully the product will be good. Had great reviews, and we'll see how it does when I treat the hives next week. See y'all later.
Now you're just showing off. I can't believe my eyes. I can't believe my eyes. Now you're just showing off. I can't believe my eyes. Don't stop. Now you're just showing off.